guys have ran into this problem. If you have, then this video is for you. Welcome to the channel. My name is Steven. Today we will be installing door stoppers. These are some of the tools that will be needed today. Some DW40, a drill with a 1/16 bit, a hammer, a nail stopper, a screwdriver, and a wrench. We have 4 different kind of door stoppers that I will show you how to install today. One is a soft dome door stopper. The other one is a light duty solid door stopper, a spring door stopper, and a light duty hinge pin door stop. What we'll be installing today is the hinge pin door stop. This requires for us to get our nail set, our hammer, pull out the hinge. If you're having some trouble, put some DW40 and it will make it come out. Okay, so we got that out the way. You come over here, you're gonna put an adjustable side heading to the trim, the other side heading to the door. You're gonna start hitting with your hammer until you get down there. Now the whole purpose of this one is, there you go. Now you can adjust it, like I said, to whatever you need. If you need a little bit more, perfect. Next one we'll be installing is the solid door stopper. This one requires a pencil. You have to check right here to see where it fits, kind of do a little test run. So let's say right there, come right here with your pencil, you mark it. Get a little good mark right here. You come with your drill bit. You want to do a little hole. Okay, the drill bit should be less than the screw. Otherwise, it's not gonna grab on. Then you just come in here, you're gonna twist it. If it's too hard, that's what you have the wrench for. Right here, you can use the wrench. Okay, we're gonna get the wrench because it got a little hard. You have a wrench to tighten this up. I recommend us using the 1/16 drill bit, and we are done here. Finished installing the solid door stop, and this is how it works. We're now going on to the next one. Door stop, and this is how it's gonna come. You have to twist this over. This is the base right here. It brings a screw. We have to be installing this to the wall. This is almost like the solid door stop. You have to measure where it's gonna go in. Right here with your pencil, you're gonna mark it. And you're gonna come with your drill bit, 1/16" drill bit. Make a hole. Okay, you're good there. Then you wanna bring your base and your screw. You wanna get your screwdriver. You wanna align the screwdriver to the little hole that you just made with your drill bit. Okay, then here you come. You wanna hold it with your thumb, the base, and you wanna screw in. Okay, once you got that secured, you're gonna bring your spring door stop. It has a little thing right here that sticks out, and it's gonna go in this little hole. Make sure this hole is facing up, not down or to the side. And you wanna twist it. And there you go. That is your spring. That's how that works. As door stopper, and it's the soft dome door stop. This is actually the easiest one to install. It comes with self-adhesive in the back, meaning that you just remove a little layer right here and it has glue. Now what you want to do is, you want to do a little test run. We already have a hole where ours hit, so we already know where to put. So you want to come here, you want to remove. You don't want to remove the whole layer, you want to remove just a film. See that right there, little film? You want to come over here, make sure this is free of dirt or anything, grease. You want to hold it there for 3 minutes. 3 minutes. Now that we waited our 3 minutes, this should be nice and glued to the wall. This is the function right here. So when you come, somebody opens the door. Now that we've installed all 4 of our door stoppers, it all comes down to what suits you It's really your preference. If I had to go with two, I think I would go with the hinge doorstop and the spring doorstop. They're easy to install and they're probably more durable. The least one is the soft dome doorstop. You don't know how long the adhesive will last and you might have to install another one. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope it was very helpful. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share with friends and family. In the comment section below, any videos you want to see in the future and any questions you have, we will be answering them. Off to the next one.